This is not common law. It's by statute. That's not jurisdiction. That's the law that you're being charged under is not common law. It's a statute. It's an ordinance from the city of Romulus. Now, if you want to know what that ordinance says, then you can get that ordinance.
I understand what you're trying to tell me, but I'm saying the Constitution, Fifth Amendment, Constitution have a right to express. I'm just asking questions.
And I'm answering it to the best of my ability.
This all I know is how you say it was criminal. I know criminal as common law, and I know criminal as benevolent.
Okay, well, then your knowledge is not complete. I don't know what to tell you. You don't, you're swimming in a pond. You don't even know the rules, but you've chosen to do that. And I have a right to ignore your questions if I've answered them already, which I've done more than one time. So here's where we're at. This is a pretrial. Do you want to talk to the prosecutor today? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, then go talk to the prosecutor. And I have a right to ignore your questions. Yes, I'm under oath, but that has nothing to do with my ability to tell you, no, I'm not answering any more questions. Go talk to the prosecutor. That's what a pretrial is for.
On prosecutors waiting list.
I don't know if we want to create a file for it. No, that's what I mean.
If you speak to the prosecutor, that knows their side of the meeting.
I'm not, I just don't want nobody to be liable, that's all.
Okay, let's talk to the prosecutor about that.
See all of them, I had a try to,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, yeah.
All right, I'm trying to find Riviera Gomez. Is that a defendant?
It's a civil correction.
Oh, then I'm not going to find that one. Tracy Aldrin.
That's not another one either.
That's a civil too.
Mr. John Moat, thank you so much, Crystal Marie Medina, on behalf of, sir, would you see your last name to me, please? I do believe.
Good morning.
Thank you so much. With regard to the arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive formal reading and stand kneel. At this time, my client is prepared to plead guilty to allowing him a licensed driver to drive. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for today's charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge? Sir, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on, what is that, March 19th, 2024? And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Counsel, you satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. I'll accept your plea to the added charge, sir. I'll dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now?
He has a valid license.
Awesome.
He has a valid license, Your Honor. He's at a payment plan here with Romulus. He paid off more than half of it, so he would receive the clearance, Your Honor.
Good.
He is signed up with Uber right now.
Good.
He needs to work. His wife is the primary financial provider.
Mhm.
She is a financial advisor. They have 2 children in common. And so he was just here with his son, got to drop him off at school, came back. So he is the primary caretaker of their children.
Okay. All right.
That's the court imposed fines and costs.
Thank you. Did you make a payment in the last couple days?
22nd. My payment date, my next payment date is the 22nd of September, 4 days.
All right. So I'm showing a balance of $1,454. Is that right?
Yeah,
Okay. All right. And you got a payment coming up. Okay. All right. So are you working,
I'm right now staying at home at the moment.
taking care of kids?
Yeah.
When's the last time you had a job? Where was it at?
Midnight.
Okay. Okay. All right. Anything else I should know about you before I sentence? Yeah. Good job on that. All right. Man, this file's been kicking around with some warrant fees.
Yeah.
Whew. All right, let's see. So you're relying on family for transportation? Yeah.
What?
Oh, you're licensed now.
Signed up with.
All right.
Just in case depending what's going on in your household.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
He has that option, but it's.
So here's,
Provided.
how many kids you got? Youngest? Oldest? So they're in school every day. Okay. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. Usually with all these late fees you picked up, this is like a $700 file and you already owe way too much money. So what I'm thinking is instead of giving you, I'm going to hit you for some money, but instead of hitting you for the full 700, I'm going to give you some extra days on the court work program, which gives you ability to basically work off your debt to me instead of pay it. That means you pick the days, but those days you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. That work? Okay.
8, that's the time, I can set it up yesterday.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, if you're 8:05, you're all right. If you're 8:35, you're probably SOL.
Yeah. I got a brother staying with me, he can take care of his kids.
Okay. Okay.
That's the right answer. Made it work. Good job.
All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 300 fines and costs and 7 days on the work program. All right. So the 300 you add into the payment plan you've got, just keep making your $50 a week or whatever it is. And then when you go downstairs to add the 300 into your payment plan, you're going to schedule those days on the work program. Any questions? Good luck. You're welcome.
You take yours, sir. Here's your to the door. It was very nice getting it.
Have you talked to an attorney? Probably should have warned Mr. Greco what was coming. Jamie probably did.
Talk to these people.
Marco, what did you need?
Yes. My attorney just texted me and said that he woke up sick. Um, I'm here for a civil infraction.
Correct.
Do
Wait
I
a minute.
have? Yes.
Your attorney is in the breakout room. Mr. Mamet is in the breakout room.
Okay. I
So
don't know.
he actually, you don't even, because it's a pre-hearing and your attorney is here, you actually don't need to sit on. I mean, unless your attorney told you to come on.
Okay. Yeah, I
Because
must
which
have read
one,
the message. I
were
got a
you
message from
working with
him
Violas or Mamet?
with goodness. This is so confusing. It's Michael, actually.
Not Stephen Mamet?
No, the lawyer I've been or my attorney is it's from a company Elite Mix.
Yep. That's Mr. Mamet's
Okay.
company. So he's actually the one that's handling it today. He's been here since 8 o'clock this morning. He's just stuck in the Zoom room waiting to
Okay.
speak to the prosecutor.
When you're ready.
So you can continue to hang out until he's
Myers.
done. Up to you, or you can hang up.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you so much then.
You are welcome.
Myers versus Hamlin.
Yeah. Patrick Mackkins.
Jamie, are you calling people in?
They have, yes.
Okay.
And this-
I'm just wondering
Mr.
so I can come in. All right.
Yeah, Mr. Bode just walking in also. Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you.
Marshall. What are we doing the files out there alphabetically today?
We got 2 lists. Yeah, I see what you're saying. On our Marshall, is that Mia?
Mia.
Yeah.
And then the last one I've got is, I think it's Bingle, B-I. Bingle.
That's for the shot.
Yeah. Mr. Bowditch, who do you want to start with?
We start with this part.
We can. And we will.
Your Honor, for the record, yes, I'm speaking on behalf of this Marshall.
Victor Martin.
Mia Marshall. Good morning.
Your Honor, today is the time, set for pretrial in this matter, prosecution witness to dismiss these charges.
No.
Yes. I guess that have to accept that.
But he will. Is it all right with you if I dismiss this? All right. You have a lovely day.
Terrorizing this young lady to offer.
It was worth it, wasn't it? All right.
Thank you.
Before somebody changes their mind. Who's next? Mr. Myers, come on up.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Cottage, 45367, Paragon Avenue. And with Ms. Myers. Your Honor, today, so could you tell the name for the
Hello, Myers.
Good morning.
Today is make access for pretrial in this matter. We are requesting a bench trial.
All right. Mr. Myers, do you understand that you do have a constitutional right to a jury trial? And you understand the difference between a jury trial and a bench trial? And you're waiving the jury, correct? All right, let's figure out what the date's going to be. Now I'm cold.
Person, you can't talk about the case at all, or not?
Well, you got an attorney, so you should get your advice from the attorney. So if the attorney thinks it's time to talk about the case, he'll tell you, but usually that's trial. I can't help you much with that because this case has got nothing to do with your impound. Right. No, the case. What we do with this case isn't stopping you from getting your car out of impound. That's between you and the impound lot. Because I didn't impound your car. You understand that? Usually they want money to give you your car back.
October 30th, 11:45.
11:45? All right, Mr. Myers, that work for you? All right. All right, we'll see you then. Heather's going to put a paper notice together and you can walk out with that in your hand.
All right, thank you.
You do know that the impound lot's probably charging you by the day.
They've been folded. Without, like, I've been the first day, it's like first week, and within there, I called and they've been told that they're holding. Little pieces open. I mean, they can open everything. Sorry.
All right, something's wrong there because the PD would not be holding your car as evidence on a drove while license suspended charge.
But I don't think they'll lose the balance and license.
Yeah, but it's not because of the court case. Right. Who's got your car, sir? Towing. And they're telling you they're waiting on the court case? They've got nothing to do with this court case. Are you sure they're not? All right, Mr. Bowditch, you might talk to Mr.
It might be the detective.
Greco.
Hold.
Yeah.
You're Oakley, we put a hold on a vehicle.
On a fail to stop in a DWS?
Out of that, I don't, when they did an inventory search, who knows what.
Oh, they might be waiting for some other charges to come.
There could be a whole lot.
Mr. Bowditch, if you would ask Mr. Greco if he can look into that. So if, for example, because when they take your car into custody, they being PDs, they usually do an inventory search. If they found something in your car and they're thinking there might be further charges coming down the road, they might be waiting until they see what happens there. I'm just saying, I've got no hold on your car with these cases. Okay, I don't know what it is. I'm just telling you, I have no control over whether or not your car gets released. So he will talk to the prosecutor and see if the prosecutor can figure out why there's a hold on your car. If there's anything that we can do there, we'll try it. But I'm telling you, I haven't ordered an impound and I haven't told anybody not to release it. Understood?
Is there a?
Yes.
Which one you want to do next, Mr. Bowder?
Retained.
We have the actor.
Oh, hold on, Mr. Myers. Are you on a payment plan with us?
I'll plan on doing it for the morning.
Are you in a position to commit to one now?
I'll start my job like literally next week. I was like 5 times.
Well, you don't have to start paying now. You just got to put it on paper. So if you want to start it, a month down the road, just get that set up today before you leave. All right?
Yeah, Mellon.
We need to file, right?
Who's next, Mr. Bowditch?
We have, Mr. Mackkins.
Is that what I'm saying?
Patrick? Is it Mackkins? How do you say it? Say it again. Come on up, Mr. Mackkins.
You're on for the record, Jeffrey Bowden, appearing on behalf of Mr. Mackkins. You have today, date and time set for pre-trial. Let the prosecution, I remember the defense, you should never.
Thank you.
Subject for approval. In this agreement, Mr. Mackkins will be pleading, responsibility for the civil infraction of impeding traffic. As you can agree upon, assess line $350.
All right. Mr. Mackkins, it says here that you're going to plead responsible to an added civil infraction. You've agreed to pay fines and costs of $350, and the misdemeanor issued on June 11 or June 1 would be dismissed. Is that correct? And is that how you want to resolve this today?
Yes.
All right. Can you pay the $350 today? All right, go downstairs, get a smile from our cashier. She'll get you out of here when she's got your money, and we'll dismiss the original charge. If you don't get a smile, come back up and let me know. 350 gets a smile. I'm gonna guess Bingle is next.
Yep. Hearing on behalf of, with Ms. Legal, you can tell me.
Good morning, ma'am.
Your Honor, today, date, time, second, arraignment in this matter, we stand here. We have a chance to pre-trial this case, we're going to execute a plea subject to court approval. In that agreement, Ms. Bingle would be pleading guilty to an added count of operating on visibly impaired, with the understanding the original charge would be.
All right. Ma'am, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch? Understood those rights? Understand the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the charge? Added charge. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? You're doing this because it's best for you, not because he's trying to get out of here and go golf or something silly? Right? I said something silly.
Before you look at.
August 17th, did you drive a vehicle in Belleville? Prior to driving, did you consume alcohol? Did you take a breath test or a blood test? Do you know the results?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate.
0.16.
All right. Are you satisfied that I've received the facts I need to accept this plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
So am I. I'll dismiss the original charge, ma'am. I'm going to do two things now. I'm going to send you down to my probation department to schedule a pre-sentence interview. Did you tell her how that works?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So you're going to schedule the interview. You'll find out when your sentencing date is, and I'm also going to put you on a personal bond. First two conditions are obvious conditions. No new charges and show up for the next court date. Third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's script. Can you live with those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw that up? Any questions? You sure? Go downstairs and listen for your name. Probation will call you up to the counter.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Can I give you the benefit? Do you give the benefit? No, you have to be insured. Yes.
I'm going to pronounce it Awalumar. How do you say it?
I think she's waiting for me.
Oh, you got Miss Medina's. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Have a seat, ma'am. Wow, this is a good deal. If I'm reading it right. Speeding, stop sign. Dismissal. Yeah. Did you warn Mr. Greco what was coming his way?
Not yet, but I would. Imagine that's kind of sliding in this thing, side.
You think?
Oh,
Are you cold?
this just,
Seriously, I'm cold.
this, want me to bump it up for you?
No, she's all right. I'll suffer.
Hey, can you, is Mariah with him? Hey, Tucker.
Yeah, hopefully you're not coming down.
No, I start my Thursday mornings in that restaurant, and it's always cold. So usually by the time I get here Thursday, and I had a hoodie on this morning. Usually I'm cold, and usually by 10 o'clock I warm up, but I haven't.
Not on Thursday. No, we never do. Nope, they
Hmm?
both that.
Sport court. So maybe it's just because you gotta finish.
I'm almost to the point now where I'm not going anywhere without my puffy jacket. I went to the Hall of Justice.
Didn't have to make a $50 payment. So it was, Jonathan Jones's guy.
I don't think I told him he had to make a payment. I think I told him he had to make a payment plan.
He was told he just had to make a payment plan.
Judge, we might have to factor in that old age might be.
Oh, absolutely.
And then downstairs used to complain about.
Absolutely.
Okay, so you know.
Absolutely. Although I've never run hot. So
I'm right behind you. I guess I'm waiting for the day.
you want me to bring some people in and try to find out who the hell they are?
Called downstairs and
They're dealing with it.
somebody's gonna jump on.
We didn't approve that much, did we? Did we have all those people? Did we know those people were coming in soon?
Some of them are just, observers for a case. Wayne County. Oh, he's bringing back. John. Oh, were you wearing Hopkins file?
Hop. HOP.
Fence, you read that? I'm sorry, did you use the fence? Okay, very good. Medina.
Hopkins and who else?
Martin. Hopkins, I need this to adjourn. Martin should be on Zoom.
Is that Nicole?
I'm sorry.
Nicole Martin?
Yes. Martin, you can keep, because that one will be done eventually this one.
All right. I'll be back. Can I get you anything, Howard? Anything wrong?
No, thank you. John.
Wow.
He's not on right in the world.
It's gonna be nice.
He wants to stand.
If you do not explain that, we have to be also free. Counselor, guys, maybe she comes. You want to press down, speed up, but you would bump something more.
Yeah, we do. I just wanted to tell you this one. Hi, good morning, young lady.
Good morning.
Tonight, you know, this one, that there is an offer in the final, so we take the offer in there, and then we will adjourn it, because you just need to clear information. Thank you. Appreciate it. So it's all-
Wait, Tony, do you have Martin on?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Miss Martin, did you get to speak to an attorney?
Yes, please.
I'll get you one. You could let Jeff or Andrew or Crystal know. I'll find them.
Okay, you need one or the other, right? With an offer.
Thanks.
There was not an offer either, she picked the order up. You leave it out. Yes. Okay, it's paid more for each item short. Yeah, so.
This day is dragging.
Well, Chris came in here, but he told her to go work in some more.
Did we ever get any Tuesday night school meetings on my calendar?
I haven't gotten anything. I wondered the same thing, but Mrs. Frank, I think it is, she no longer does it.
No. We just got an email from Stacy King.
Dave, are you all set, or did you need something?
No, we've got Mr. Mamet's, we've got three
We're
cases
ready.
of his. Two of them are just civil infraction. One of them is a misdemeanor, Hildebrand.
Mr. Hildebrand should be in the courtroom.
Are you Mr. Hildebrand?
Yeah.
All right. I'm doing him about. The civil infractions, Mr. Mamet, we don't have to do those on record.
Right. So I can tell you what they are right now, Heather.
Well, one we're adjourning, David.
Right.
Hildebrand.
So you let me know when you're ready, Heather, and I'll tell you what we're doing.
Yeah. Hildebrand, do you want to step up to the podium, please?
Do we got a plea form yet?
Sorry.
Do we have a plea form?
I can write one up.
Go ahead. What is it,
Okay,
Mr.
so
Uncle?
on Hildebrand, we're amending the charge of fail to stop and identify after a property damage accident to fail to report an accident.
Yep.
And we're amending the civil infraction improper passing to impeding traffic with a $200 fine.
Yeah, and is it all right with you if I only process one file and just hit him harder, $200 harder on that one file?
That's fine. That's fine.
I'm fine with that.
Okay. All right, Mr. Hildebrand, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney?
On Zoom.
No, I am his attorney, Your Honor.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. Go ahead,
Yeah, I'm his
counsel.
attorney. Yeah, Stephen Mamet on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. Today's daytime set for pretrial in this arraignment pretrial in this matter, a waive a formal reading of the charges, and stay on mute and proceed to the pretrial, Your Honor. I had a chance to speak with opposing counsel Greco. He's agreed to dismiss the original charges. In exchange, my client will be pleading guilty to one count of failure to report with an added, the court indicated, added $200 fine in exchange for the dismissal of all the civil infractions.
Thank you. Mr. Hildebrand, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel today? Did you discuss your rights and options with your attorney? Did you understand all those? You understand the possible penalty for fail to report, the added charge?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily? Counsel, would you like to voir dire Mr. Hildebrand to get me the facts to support the plea?
Sure. On the date and time
Showing
of
an
question,
incident date of April 21, counsel.
sure. On the date and time of question, were you in this jurisdiction of this court? Mr. Hildebrand?
Were you
Were
in
you
the
in the
city of
juris-
Romulus on April 21? Go ahead, counsel.
And in that time, were you involved in a motor vehicle accident? And did you fail to report that accident to police?
Yeah.
Okay. Is the court satisfied?
I'm satisfied if you are.
I am, Your Honor.
All right, I'll dismiss both the original charges. What should I consider before I set the terms of sentence?
Your Honor, this was just a lapse of judgment. He got scared and made a bad decision. He's apologetic. Obviously, he's been engaged with this firm since the beginning, and he feels bad. And we'd ask that you just assess fines.
Yep. Are you working, sir?
Right now.
All right. Where are you employed?
Well, they're calling my but it shut down.
How long were you there? Holy cow. And when did they shut down?
June.
All right. All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right. All right. As I said, I've dismissed the original charges, fines and costs on the added charge, $400. Can you pay that today?
Yes.
All right. If you go downstairs, they'll call you up to the front counter. The cashier will smile when she takes your money and get you out of here. Thank you,
Thank you, Your Honor.
counsel.
No, have a good day.
You're all set, sir. We're going to computer it downstairs.
She's waiting for me.
Heather, did Mr. Mamet log
Yeah.
off? All right, we did
Looks like
resolve his 2 civil infractions. Did we talk about them or I was distracted?
Just write them up and I'll grab them from you.
Got him. Okay, I'll come in. I got him.
For you.
Jane, you know his defendant's name? Oh, it's civil infraction?
He's at a civil infraction.
Did you give your?
What's your last name, man?
Right here. I think we're waiting for Medina.
Oh, yeah, I just, my notes, but I should remember. I think I can work off memory.
It's just a civil.
Yeah, it was just the act.
Are you coming in for Amani Owalama?
Yes, I.
Come on up here. Paperwork tells me, oh, your appearance.
Christopher Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Med. Your Honor, with regard to the arraignment, we would waive formal reading and stand mute. I did have the opportunity to speak with my client. She is prepared to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive as well as respond.
That's not what I got. Oh, that is what that is. Oh, the scribbles confuse me. Go ahead.
So yes, an allowing in the speed 6 to 10, it will take dismissal of the TWO, that's the open trucks and the original stop sign infraction.
Yep. All right. Ma'am, did you discuss your rights with her? Did you understand those rights and the options those rights give you? Did you understand or do you understand the possible penalty for allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? Understanding all of these things, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? And are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on August 9, 2025 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor. My client now has a valid license. She is a student.
Awesome.
at University. She-
Beautiful.
Campus, she's a full student. She's also seeking employment. Your Honor, probably part-time employment, right, given her school.
Yep.
That is her current status, Judge. I would have that the court imposed by the cost.
What are you studying? Good for you. Oh, you're getting there then. You're getting there. How's it going? Good for you. Good for you. All right. You still got family in Romulus?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? There's no magic answer. I'm just giving you a chance. Okay. All right. All right, and your license is reinstated. Okay, all right, so I've dismissed the original charges. On the 6 to 10 speeding ticket, fines and costs are $200. On the allow unlicensed driver to operate, the total on that file is $300 and 3 days on the court work program. We assess work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which 3 days you're scheduled. So hopefully you can work that around your school schedule, all right? So that's $500 total. Can you pay that today or you need to set something up? Do that downstairs. Any questions? Everything downstairs. Good luck in school.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Oh, Jim. You don't really leave, you don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Good to see you.
Have a good day, Murray.
Thank you, Judge.
Good mail, I'm going to keep on now. I guess your agency would just mail you one. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.
Well, so I guess this thing with Ashton is a little bit more formal than I thought, because I got a text from my buddy said that his daughter's coming into the law class, criminal law class.
Well, you know, they were gonna. Is he here?
Yeah.
Because they were gonna come in during a probation day. Emily had set that up, that they were just thinking about someday, but I mean, if they don't come in soon, they're gonna, we don't have
Didn't see
it.
much. And Ashton should know that, you would think.
Because you had the not Zoom trial at 3 today. The whole judge.
Yeah,
agreed.
And that, I wanted to talk to Fred about that, because from 1 to 3, there's like sessions for the cops that I'm invited to listen in on. And then at 3, they start the actual mock trials, and at 5, then they, comments from me and the attorneys. But I'm thinking I might want to join on Zoom on one of the iPads, so I can just listen to what's going on while I do on base or whatever else I'm doing. And then I gotta get set up on Zoom at 3. Like Mariah's buying on
Because I had asked for somebody to do
Oh.
those,
phone. It's just sitting like, look, it's something like that.
yeah, sometimes I had a movement like that. Your followers, love these guys.
He's trying to stare me down.
Hey, do you have a formal hearing date for a bell? I have to adjourn it to you guys. Okay, yep, thank you.
So I sent Stacy King a message asking for dates.
Oh, okay.
Elena's on, so yeah, my fear is they've set dates and they just didn't tell us about it.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Cranny is now the librarian at high school. 'Cause she needed something that she could count on, whereas this liaison stuff is like a grant, so they don't know.
Kind of like the DV thing, that's a
Yeah,
grant.
exactly, yeah. And then Futch called me. He said he had taken a job where he can work from home because he's taking care of his mother. That's why they're hiring two.
Yesterday, so the village was not on people, which was super, super nice. And we went over to the Eagle Tavern because I told Scott, so we walked around, like, I want to sit there and show you the drinks that they have. We get there and there's three of the like waiters, or whatever, sitting outside, and I'm like, can we go in just to the bar? Sorry, I'm not a bartender today. I'm like, can't you figure out how to make it? I go, you're drinking something right now. And he's like, no, we can't do it. It has to be a bartender. So we didn't get anything, because I think that those were just the
And it
needed.
sounded like somebody just didn't show up for work. That's what it
Yes,
sounded like.
yeah. But, other than that, whenever we were like driving home and everything, do people not work anymore? It was like we were in rush hour traffic. The whole expressway, the whole Telegraph Road.
Shannon said, so how was the session yesterday? I said, honestly, I'm not sure it was worth all the effort I took to get there. So it started at 9, 8:30 registration. So I figure I'll leave the house before 7:30. I'll get there before 9, right? It's like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Should be plenty of time, because when I used to go to the state bar, which is pretty close, I used to figure an hour and 15 minutes and then get there.
Because
So
nobody's on the road.
at 7:20, might have been a little after that. I'm in my driveway, literally getting ready to pull off, and my phone rings. It's TBG. She said, where are you at? I said, I'm just getting ready to leave. She's, oh my God. She said, I left my house at 6:50 because I wanted to make sure I was there at 8:30 because she was one of the presenters. Two people present. She said, I'm on 275 parked. I haven't even made it to 14 yet. Half hours.
And it's at 6:50 in the morning.
No, she left at 6:50. It's now about 7:20. So she's been on the road for a half hour and hasn't even made it past there. I said, well, I guess I won't get on 275. So I went 94, thinking 94 to 23, 23 to 96, and away I go, right? 23 was so bad that I got off before, I just barely got on 23. As soon as the soul was going up, I got off. I took Whitmore Lake Road all the way up to 96. Two parking lots on 96. Then when I parked in the directions, they said 96, 127 to 496 to MLK Boulevard. That's all under construction. I had to go past 496 on back on 127 to get off on 496. So then I get to the parking lot, they tell me.
Last name of Henry.
Call, you're not at the visitor lot, you're at the Columbus. I finally walked in the building at 9:37.
Wow. What's the?
Henry, first of all, you
Yes.
Go ahead, Ms. Medina.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Hamlin, with regard to the arraignment, we would waive formal readings, stand mute. Ms. Henry, please say your full name for the record.
Renee.
Thank you, ma'am.
Your Honor, Ms. Henry is prepared to plead responsible to dancing without a license with a fine of $200 in exchange for malicious destruction of property charge would be dismissed, and your Shannon time would need an opportunity to pay. She would be able to set up a payment at the first floor, Your Honor.
Okay.
On the first floor.
All right, Miss Henry, is that the way you want to resolve these issues today? All right, fines and costs as agreed, $200. Go downstairs. They'll talk to you about your options.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome very much. So then I'm coming home.
And it was like probably 3-ish. Northbound 23 either still was a parking lot or was a parking lot again. So yeah, there's just too damn many people on the road and too much construction.
Mm-hmm. It was just rush hour traffic everywhere. So that's like, I remember when you used to, like, in the middle of the day, you would want to go somewhere because the roads were open.
Right.
Now it's just everybody's working from home.
So change of topic. Have you guys eaten at the Avenue in Wayne? It's actually, I think it's the Avenue Bistro or something like that, but it's between east and westbound Michigan, west of Wayne Road. Next time you guys want to treat yourselves, because it's not cheap, sandwich I had was $17. But the food is absolutely phenomenal. Yep. Yep.
And what's the difference?
Wayne.
So you pick Wayne Road up.
Yeah, if you're going Wayne Road, just going north, you pass eastbound Michigan, before you get to westbound, you gotta jump in that area
Yeah.
between the two. If you go in there and go, just go west
Over by like Pizza Hut, where Pizza Hut used to be?
Yeah, it's a huge restaurant.
Yes, it is. Your Honor, may we approach with your wisdom and guidance, which I hope to be counting on for many years in the future?
Guidance, I can guarantee guys.
We gotta talk about something private.
Not sure I can guarantee with.
You know, the one that Vanessa wanted you to speak to,
I don't know.
the compliance guy that can't do work over
I didn't know anything about it. Go ahead.
there. He's on.
Okay, we're not,
Yeah, I can mute him.
Yeah.
He doesn't hear my button.
Are you? Oh, I just. All right.
I'm on another traffic court Zoom meeting. That's why I stepped out. You're out.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, good morning. All right, Mr. Vargo, I've got a file, incident date July 17, 2025. Failed to display a valid license, sentenced on August 28 to 4 days on the court work program. I understand that's a problem for you.
Yeah, I mean, it's a problem, but I have a solution as well. Sure.
All right, where are you working in?
Where am I working? I'm working downtown Detroit. Are you talking about the community service or are you talking
No, I mean,
about?
where are you? You got a safety vest on. I'm assuming you're at work. Where are you employed?
No, I'm at court right now. I'm working
okay.
for American Park though. Like I haven't even, I slept 2 hours.
Okay,
I'm in court for a traffic violation.
okay. And did you say, all right, I'm having trouble hearing you for some reason, but you have a job, right? Go ahead.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Oh, much better. Thank you. So you have a job. You're employed somewhere, right?
Yes.
Yep. All right. Who are you employed by?
It's called SMS Solutions.
What do they do?
Basically I'm like a cleaner right now.
Okay. All right. And what kind of shift do you work?
Graveyard shift. It's horrible.
So what you
It's,
go
it's
in?
anywhere between second shift and third shift.
Okay. So what's that look like? When are you usually done working? What time you clock out?
Today I clocked out at 5:30 in the morning, 6 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. All right. So what's the problem with you doing the work program that was ordered?
So my job is in Detroit. I get a ride to my job. I stay probably like 40, anywhere between 30 to 40 minutes, depending on if I'm at my girlfriend's house or if I'm at my family's house. It's really just my ride and stuff like that.
All right. So you're living in Detroit and it's transportation issue to get out here to Romulus. Is that the problem?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
That's why I was trying to, that's why I presented to the court. I actually had my counselor call. I'm doing community service through my counselor center where I clean up around the building, restock stuff, help with paperwork.
Where are you counseling at?
It's called the Detroit Recovery Project. It's on West Grand Boulevard in
Yep.
Detroit.
I'm familiar. Okay. All
Yeah.
right.
And I already have 210 hours to do. I think I completed 50 or so or whatever. I was just trying to see if you could apply my hours or days, however you see fit.
I'm not going to let you double dip. That's the problem.
Okay. Okay.
What's the status of your license?
It further got suspended when we went to court that day. It got suspended for another.
So
30
when,
days.
if you know, when are you eligible for reinstatement of driving privileges?
Maybe like anywhere between 25 to 30 days, probably about a month out.
So by Christmas time, you should have a driver's license. Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah. Yes.
All right. So once you have a driver's license, is your transportation issue going to be at least partially resolved?
It should be. I should
All right,
have
so-
insurance and
All
tags. and
right, so
stuff
why
like
don't we do this? Why don't we just have you reschedule your work days so they start after December 1? When you don't have to rely on somebody else to transport your butt out here 4 days.
Okay.
Is that doable?
Yeah. Yes. Let's do
All
it.
right. And you think, and if you get your license straight before December 1 and you want to get the days done, then ask us to schedule them earlier than you had them. You follow me?
Yes.
All right. Any questions?
Nope.
All right. Are you noting that in your RLA? Okay. All right. Good luck.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Simmons, come on up. All right, Mr. Simmons, you are here today for 2 charges. Impeding traffic and drove without a valid license. The prosecutor tells me that based on the actions you've already taken, he will dismiss both the original charges if you plead responsible to double parking and agree to pay fines at cost of $180. Is that the way you want to resolve this today? All right. Simmons, Simmons. That's not on your docket. Thank you. All right. And I understand you either are in some kind of driving school. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Bowditch. I'm sorry. You're in some school or you've taken a class? You're done with this class? So what's the next step to a driver's license? All right. And refresh my memory. Where are you going to school? Senior this year? Junior? What's your cumulative GPA? Have you and I already had the grade point discussion? All right. 2.8. I'm going to guess it should probably be more like a 3.5 if you were applying yourself 100% to school academics. Okay. Mom, what do you think he's capable of grade point wise?
I will say
Better than a 2.8? Okay. All right. What do you want to do after high school, Mr. Simmons? I'm sorry, license to truck driver? All right. And the 180, can you pay it today?
Yeah.
I'll wait for his money. No, seriously, I'll put him on a payment plan. But because you didn't do this, he did this. All right. I mean, do you have some source of income that you can make payments if you commit to payments? You've been working. Yeah. All right. So go downstairs and make a payment plan. So much a week, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever. I don't care. It's just regular payments. Both original charges are dismissed. Good luck in school this year. All right. Have a nice day. You're welcome so much. Sorry. Payment plan.
I put it, and that's the.
That's the way I did it. Yep. Yeah, the purple file, I just wrote dismissed the cost, but the paperwork's on top. Are you on Davis Harbor?
What is it? Was Morgan Measy or something?
You're on full record. Kevin Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with J.D. Harbor Day. True. Tell Judge you need the record.
Johnny Davis Harvey.
Good morning.
Your Honor, today's date time set for arranging in this record with full agreement standing. Also had a chance to pre-try this case. We have an executed plea agreement subject to court. An agreement. Ms. Harper. Guilty to a charge of being a disorderly person with the understanding that taken under statute 771 for a period of 12 months. If Ms. Davis Harper applies in all the court's issues, no trouble at that time the court and consider this dismissal. And she's going to be responsible for beating her. And agree to assess fine on
All right, I don't have anything in here about a delayed sentence. So what was the agreement about delayed sentence?
the disorderly person will be taken under 771 for a period of 12 months.
12 months. No, that's all right. All right, so I'll accept that with one change. I'm not going to take a plea to impeding traffic just to get $180 extra. I'll just charge her more on the misdemeanor, so there's only one file to process on the dispositions. Understood? Is that all right with you, ma'am? Same thing to you. We're getting in your pocket a little heavier, but it's just less work for the my secretary. All right. All right. And did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch today? Did you understand those rights and the options they give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of disorderly person?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the charge? Mr. Bowditch, my incident date is August 8. If you can give me the facts I need.
Yes, sir. Okay. Driving in the city of Drums. Where you pulled over by a policeman. And at that time, while we were involved with a police officer, did you find yourself getting a little bit high? Yes.
I'll accept the plea. I'll dismiss all the original charges. What should I consider before I sentence?
Your Honor, poor choice on that one given evening. This child is no problem to anyone and won't be in.
No prior criminal. Yeah. Working?
Yes.
Where at?
Legal at the Delta Airport and also working as advertising.
Okay. So how many hours a week are you working? Both jobs combined? Roughly. Okay. All right. Anything else? Anything else you want me to consider? Okay. All right. All right, I think I already said it, dismiss all the original charges. I'll delay sentence for 12 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal charges. I'm assessing $500 court costs and 3 days on the court work program. Can you pay the money today or do you need some options? You can set up or talk about your options downstairs. Work program is assessed, either one, as an alternative to jail. You pick which 3 days you work. You can do that downstairs as well. Any questions? Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. We're gonna wait for Ms. Medina on that one.
Expert, it's just an adjournment. Let's go on record, prosecute.
All right. Derek Hamlin. Good morning, sir. Counsel, did you want to say something on the Hamlin matter?
Not mine, Your Honor.
Oh, it's Greco.
Up to the jury.
All right. Is he in a breakout?
Yeah, we bring him in. I mean, he didn't break up.
I don't know. Jamie thought the prosecutor wanted to talk about this adjournment. Understand, we do not have an attorney on record for you. Your attorney's got to file what we call an appearance, just to say, hey, I'm the attorney. All right. So I just want to know what the prosecutor has to say, and then we'll give you a date. Mr. Greco. I already forgot his name. Hamlin?
Yeah.
Mr. Greco, did you have something you wanted to say on the Hamlin matter before we give an adjourned pretrial date?
No, the court officer, Jamie just came and asked me. I said, no, it's just an adjournment. He has his own retained attorney.
That's fine. Thank you. All right. You're ready whenever?
Yeah.
Okay, she'll get you a date. When they're gonna be?
October 20th. 10:30.
That work? October 20?
You'll be guys. You can just take a seat and I'll get.
Mr. Bowditch, what do you have?
Oh, you already have first?
Yep.
Tragedy in their family. This young lady just lost her younger brother tragically.
Oh, good God.
And they were wondering if she could do some community service instead of the work program.
Let's see if I got a file still.
Is there a Lear?
Yeah, we're waiting for Medina to get the file to get us when I was like,
Is there a Lear here?
Here, yes.
Jeff? I gotta make sure I got the right file. I'll do 40 hours community service. You want to do it on the record or just have her? You just tell her.
I'll just tell us.
Let's do that by December 1.
What's happening is that where you get it.
40 hours instead of 3 days. It's depending on long due date.
Sorry about your brother. I want those 40 hours completed by December 1. Doable?
Doable.
All right, we've got a list downstairs if you want to grab it. So you don't have to find someplace on your own. All right, good luck. Are we ready on Lear?
We are ready, Your Honor.
Appearances, please.
And Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Lear. Your Honor, Ms. Lear is not at this time. We do have the father here, Your Honor, which is her legal guardian. I have reviewed that paperwork, Your Honor. I'm confirming that. We would be requesting an adjournment, Your Honor, to a Zoom date that may allow Ms. Lear to appear.
How far out do we want to go?
It's just like a month right now, sir. I mean, Your Honor, because we are going to kind of touch base then and see where we're at. Mr. Lear will be providing us some medical information with regards to his daughter that may be relevant to what we're trying to accomplish here, Your Honor.
That is accurate.
Thank you, Ms. Foster.
October 20th at 10:40.
Sounds good to me. It's on Zoom, right?
Does that work?
Sorry, it's next, it's gonna be October 16th.
Okay,
Is that all right?
Do 10:50.
perfect. Zoom, so I will, wherever I am, I'll be here. Okay?
I'm sorry, what time did you do that?
10:50.
Thank you. I'll make a note, Zoom.
And sure, you have an email with some information, okay? All right, thank you.
Good luck, Dad.
Thank you for your time. Okay, thanks.
I've got a plea agreement. Hugo Palacios? No attorney? Okay. All right, come on up. Are you going forward today without a court-appointed attorney? You want to talk to the attorney? To be honest with you, with this plea agreement, I don't think it's going to change a thing. Okay, so you made a deal with the prosecutor that you're going to plead responsible to double parking. You've agreed to pay $200 fines and costs, and both charges from June 8 would be dismissed. Is that the way you want to resolve this? Can you pay the $200 today? Go downstairs and see our cashier. We'll get you out of here as soon as we can. You're welcome. The original charges are dismissed. You're welcome. I'll do the double parking on the B. Oh, boy.
He's like, it should be $7.
All right, here, I can park. You think it's over here? My action.
So am I reading? Big word.
Of course, if you change some off, Scott can only do it, you know.
Man, this dock is just dragging.
So in, on Zoom, you have Nicole Martin, Deshonda Stevenson, and Dirk Ross.
Are you talking to me here or Medina? I'm sorry.
If you want to grab their file, Ross and Stevenson are already checked in.
Steed, S-T?
Yeah, Steveson. Stevenson. Should be Steve. What is it?
Stevenson?
Should be Stevenson. Okay.
Shauna?
Yeah. And then Green, Kelsey Green.
Yep. I've got a file that Jamie's got set off to the side. Nicole Martin.
You set it to the side, she's the other.
Oh, so we're waiting for them to do something. Michael?
Lawrence, Mike.
Oh, it's civil infraction. I don't have it.
No, okay.
Right.
It was never a misdemeanor?
Nope.
What was the original charge? You know?
Disobey traffic signal.
Oh, perfect. Then, we just have her dispo it out.
Yeah, send him down to the counter, they'll call him up.
This one on the computer.
Jamie brought it. That's fine.
Adjournment for you pre-trial on Charles.
Did the prosecutor keep the file?
I never gave him a file, did I?
Yeah, I think so. You didn't keep the file. This was
That's in my file.
the W file that was in the wrong call file.
How about it?
There was.
They need the file.
Again.
You got the file?
Adjournment for a new pre-trial. It was in German earlier. We didn't like that idea, so I'm on the zone against.
Oh, it's Mackle. I'm trying to find Michael. It's Mackle.
Here comes your party, but. Here's that's. Yeah, I think that's. That work with she. By states. How they going, guys?
Good. Huh? How are you going? How's
Good.
school going?
Yeah.
Good.
Well, we had to come in to a court today, so I was, might as well just come in here. So.
Awesome. Beautiful. Beautiful. So Mr. Mackle's downstairs waiting for cashiers.
So I need to get you done. Okay. Right, we just. You. Next court date is October 20th at 10 a.m. No, yes, it is. I'm just. There's only 8. Well, pretty much, well, ID numbers in. Open up GC. It's like you said. All right, see what else we can get done. So you're gonna go slow. Also, most lines. But I think it's about this. You got it. Good.
You got good? That was your last one?
Yeah, got it all. So, and I think everything else before that was like, I second one.
And you checked with them, that they don't have any valve, all right?
Yeah, I just checked with
Yeah.
the
Okay.
then you should be good.
Okay, then you were good.
All right, and then next month is,
It's just the violations.
Yep.
Yep, and,
well, also, so.
well, you'll have Judge Martin, but they'll,
Yeah.
on Zoom, yeah,
Yeah.
but I will see you October 21st, it's in the end of your meeting.
Kevin, excuse me, Kevin.
Yes.
Kevin, do we have any, cross like?
Oh, that we might. We do, but I have to go talk to Dave, because I know he kept talking about it, I don't think it's
Okay.
gonna happen.
So most of them. She's about to.
You won that?
Some. So that was. Put your caps on. You ever do any work in trucking?
No, I'm not.
You have any idea what their felony day is down there? I think it's Monday.
Yes, he will. Yeah, we can find. You're still.
Smart are you?
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, I feel like the whole people.
But maybe the education system, you know.
Yeah, that should-
I'm talking next week.
Yeah.
Thanks for it. Appreciate it. I called that Vargo the day before. I called her. Hey, right, yeah, no, of course, I gotta come and talk.
So,
Oh,
well, let's do that. What do you know?
Here, like football.
I'll.
I'm reading to say in law. As of right now, no match trials is still going on here. Because I just.
I think it's not.
Stay in law, like.
No. That's just not. So it's not, that's not, that's. So it's not, that's not.
Why slowly forward, but. I don't know.
Lawson.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not even lost, but she's not 30. It was really, he's in her eye,
He's in their second week long.
And just, I was saying, you figure out what the kind of foundation.
Yeah.
So, see, they're all happening. She wants to, she will very well. But yeah, you gotta look foundation because you guys are probably for the show. You want me to do it.
Yeah.
Right, no, you something on there to go with that, you see, else, like, you should foundation.
Oh, not also.
So. Membership before. All of some now from see. Right. So what we well, what you have a question, I guess. They all take you. That's the question.
You might have. Oh, yeah.
Ma'am, what is your name?
Simply.
Oh, yours is dismissed. It's dismissed. You're all set. You can leave. Thank you.
Just hard to see. So that's something.
No, it's, yeah, it's, but it's, I don't.
About that. Okay, Russ, you understand, you're not all there, so. So. But we have to figure out another way. Really well. We can career, we can set aside, we can set costs, we want, let's say, fast.
Husband's supposed to pull 3, but you don't let it book. Some's 13, second that one, I do first stuff, you know, my mom was. Half the trees, but not even, the extra, and they don't leave off things now, it's not the word, you go into do, but also, but the professional we through that. Think of themselves. Yeah, this is why maybe that's pushing with it because the product version. Somebody, you know, and people shared that and then I was living with them on saying it. It's the almost it was that machine because what's keeping you here, but really it's your job. Anyways, but just after 9 years. I never report now, Sinister slowing down my work and then instead of training somebody else, I'm just gonna try to do my best on my own. So don't touch any fish, there's a little fucking anything, nobody, all the young people, don't touch this. Oh, this should be like trying to send it all. I paid over, see physical, so this office should sound, you can take him on and be wrong with that after that. Hey, I'm talking, this is 2 days, I'm starting. Judge Santo told me she's so good. So that, yeah, these are good. I'm at line for years. Anyways, so what is this one? Oh, we gotta go on the record, it's the joke.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you want me to go handle like 1 or 2 more on Zoom and then come back?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, and if you could put me, are you controlling Zoom or?
Kind of, yeah.
Cause I can't move around because I'm on a phone. Sorry. Can you put me with the next person?
Yep, I will.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Handle that, and then I'll come back and check in again.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Yeah, she's gonna put him in, I was gonna put him in the middle. Or in the main session. All right, thank you very much. Yep. I can go let him know, but I know he's handling people that are in person. We always put the Zoom people last. All right, bye.
No, yeah, I'm just don't think I would be, there is some something like that's why I came here. I have someone also, if I have days off, so what? It was. Actually working on spots.
Well, cloud for me, huh? You're marking it off the lid?
Anything else?
Just saying, I'll give you a potato chip. Don't we have it? When I can get back to my all the files. Judge, I mean, Boston.
Well, this.
How you want.
What do you got? All right, Mr. Feaster, come on up.
Yeah. It's easy. Tell Judge me.
Richard Feasted.
Good morning, sir.
On today's date, time set for a retrial in this matter. Now the prosecution met Feaster got an executed plea agreement, which was Feaster would be pleaded guilty to disorderly person. For the period of 6 months. Mr. Feaster stays out of trouble, complies with all the court's wishes. This matter will be considered for dismissal at that time. And I think right after that, he's going into military.
Where at? What branch? Oh, man, you're not gonna like the hair. I mean, I like the hair, don't get me wrong.
So about all the cut there.
Yeah. You know what? Just start getting haircuts so it's not such a big shock to your system to lose it all at once.
Look like mine, when you get on that ship.
All right, Mr. Feaster, did you talk to Mr. Bowditch about your rights and the options those rights give you? Understood those? And do you understand the possible penalty for this charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the charge today? Mr. Bowditch, would you voir dire a June 24 incident date?
On June 24th. City of Vargo. Was there an incident that happened in the apartment complex? Were you present at that incident? At that point, sir, Mr. Feaster, while that crowd was gathering, did you get a little loud? That's satisfying.
I'll accept the plea and dismiss the original charge. What should I know about Mr. Feaster other than his Navy plans?
This apartment complex, wrong place, wrong.
You're working, Mr. Feaster? Kind of, sort of. What does that mean? Okay, what's your uncle do? Okay. Have you ever had a job where you had a schedule and payroll withholdings and that kind of stuff? When? Where? Okay, so where was the last time you had what I call a real job? Okay. Anything else you want me to consider before I set the terms? All right, I'll go along with the prosecutor's recommendation. I will delay sentence for 6 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. I'm assessing 3 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail and court costs of $350. Can you pay the $350 today? All right, go downstairs, talk about your options. You can set up a plan, payment plan, or a due date, and they'll schedule your 3 days on the work program. Any questions? Good luck.
What's Madeline involved in this? Oh, she
Because-
wasn't a attorney? No.
No, she was probably covering for Dave all the time.
Is anybody representing Mr. Kaplan? I don't think so. He signed up for the prosecutor by himself. Yeah, just make the ROI show this the last time.
We got,
Yeah, Miss Lawson.
good morning, Ms. Lawson. Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Chloe Lawson.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's date that's arraignment. With standing. You also have a chance to pre-try this case. We have an executed plea agreement subject. In that agreement, Ms. Lawson to be pleaded guilty to adding count of allowing an unlicensed private driver of car.
Thank you.
Charged with being dismissed. She is enjoying the mercy of this because she's paid off all her tickets and has her full license back.
Reinstated. Good job. Awesome. Legal driver. Beautiful. All right. Did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch today?
Yes.
Understood those rights and the options presented? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge? July 5, 2025, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? I'm satisfied. All right. I will accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. License is reinstated. Are you working, ma'am? Good. Good. How long you been with the city of Detroit? Okay, great. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
So you would find this, guys. Yeah.
How is this beautiful, when you worked together?
All right. Miss Lawson. Fines and costs on your file, $550. I'm assessing 3 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which 3 days you work. Can you pay the $550 today, or do you need to talk options downstairs? They'll schedule your days on the work program as well. Any questions? Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who's talking to Martin on Zoom?
It was Medina, they had a plea worked out. I can bring Medina in.
Okay, well, I'm done until somebody comes in. You waiting for an attorney, sir?
No.
You're waiting for her to give you a piece of paper?
Where is it?
Yep.
Young man. Perfect. Where am I notes? Somewhere, the notes or something. I can't keep on the memory, because I'm so surprised and it's so disastrous. That's the time. I can take her. And then I put it in the vessel, and then I'll do the other young man on Zoom. I'm trying to kind of. And do. Somebody asked me. Yes, Your Honor, I was just asked if I eat. But we don't keep it.
Human copy.
Not quite the same effect. All right, are you ready on Tiffany Hemingway?
Yes. Where is she? Give me 1 second.
I don't need her if you don't want her for dismissal.
There. We have. I am actually sending. The attorney of record, this was a live free trial. I believe there's dismissal in the file.
Done.
And I think this nature was without prejudice.
How about Nicole Martin? Miss Martin, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Just state your name for Miss Medina.
Nicole Martin.
Thank you. Go ahead, counsel.
He said, "Astounding judge, my client is presumed to be guilty to driving while license suspended, revoked, or denied. I believe it's charged."
Yes.
Being charged, Your Honor, in exchange in 2019, offense would be dismissed. I have advised her the 2 points of the driving record. My understanding, Your Honor, is the only thing she had police contact. She was given a $200 bond. She has not posted it with the intent that she wants to make sure to come to court, address this, and she's been incarcerated for approximately 18. Ask that the court consider that. She maintains residence. She has a daughter that she's responsible for, and she hopes to return to her job in the nursing home.
Thank you. And Ms. Martin, do you understand your rights and options after discussing those with Miss Medina?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the charge of drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty to that charge today?
Yes.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
April 19, 2018, did you drive a vehicle in the city of Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I will accept your plea to that charge. I will dismiss the other charge of drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied. I am going to sentence you to 18 days in jail, credit for time served, and close your file. Understood?
Yes.
All right. So you've also got a whole bunch of files you owe us money on. You're at a balance of over $2,000. What I want you to do is come in here in person and talk about what your options are. We've got a number of options so you can close these out so you can get your license straightened out eventually.
Yes, that's my plan, ASAP.
All right. All right. Any questions?
No.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you. Dismissal.
Yeah, nobody else at the jail. I can close the jail out. What do you got ready?
Dismissal.
Peters, got it right in front of me. Your appearance for Christian Peters.
Crystal Marie, Ms. Hina, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Peters, please state your full name for the record. Christian Peters. Your Honor, at this time, it's a final pre-trial. My understanding is that we're going to dismiss and have a space line with a dismissal without prejudices.
All right, with you if I dismiss it? Goodbye.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Dismissal.
What was that? This is. Shit, I don't know.
What's that last one I dismissed? What was the charge?
The Davis one was no, are you guys talking about when he called that you heard? Peters or just?
That they just.
One of your block roll.
She had an assault and battery.
Oh, yeah, that one, because it's a final retrial, which quite often they do, set final retrial, see the complaints actually show up. If you one of them will push that, show up, call the prosecutor, you guys can see the goal. It's that same trial, and we, but I'm not sure, right?
Thank you very much. Thank you. Wow. I'm not going to be our case.
Quite often, it's, pretty.
Yeah, yeah, thank you so much. Bye.
Is the patterns of all the cops of the people.
My dog getting.
CPD.
The dog working. Here, the dog barking. All right, goodbye.
You know, the rest of the about
I already know it's not enough.
matter of fact, I was under that issue for probably 3 or 4 years. Michigan State Bar was on fire truck. It was no student barker that the last machine charge should not have like instance that time because back in the day, necessarily that's necessarily it was anti so sometime in the code, you know, these different change the law, using literally which license that law and little high profile things on that without a lawsuit. We have received the got a lot of things to report that this is 0 to scale rate. I don't know, and change it somehow since then that I have 5 years experience of having this running or build. This can be a really good sheet. That's so fun against us. Like bodies and not me. All the time that quote. It's not a so good to get back up on the shades where we get. So, to go back and think what. Well, all the such it used to be most questions. Everything was in for 30 minutes. So everybody should think out in the 5 hours. All the judges,
Yeah.
So, I mean, I'm sure somewhere, somebody being some versions worth of thought, but. You don't.
Yeah.
It's almost percentage of the population. Expecting system. Some person that we can do it for people all around. We're looking at second floors, they walk around and trying to take a break. They never get right. Right. I can't tell you how many times the nurse can office. What's we just sit up because they feels good. She kept me down on the oh my God, yeah, I got to get out. But she had to tell her, sure. She put her shirt out, she's going into that. Yeah, this is how she kind of, she, I mean, oh, you know, the guy down the road talking, one of the stuff will. It's just, it's, and the quorum ones, Most people, most people live there in this, they might get the same, but that's on the street, that might be not. But most people, it's done, some preservation. Oh, this is also we put the thing on. Oh, well, when they're sitting in the car, when they're laying on the, right, if these don't have that same sense of, I'm gonna have everything to do, the game for the right thing. Right, because you know, if I wasn't the bell, I see how they want some more from that thing, one with there. You know, you're off the range of that. I just said one more time, then it won't be done. Tell the ball, they get them. Right. Good.
I heard that on the dividing the media.
Oh. Which one? So what about that, like, the risk of this? Studies, seriously, studies have shown it doesn't make love to get more of this. Y'all think if I'm just one line, man, it doesn't, before I have to say, you make one line, you want to. Yeah, it's one thing that might be else, but I told only the council. But the council needs to see the final, I'll take from this. That's something. You have a lot of bonds. Their health and bonds. And that would be healthy. Well. I didn't know, I would process. I did pretty much. Most part, I at least have. I don't have insurance cases as a lawyer. But I have a real good understanding of what happened here. But this is why I'm walking off to do it. But yeah, I just think that every one that should. Absolutely, I think. I'm not super senior. But they're always strong. That's a good topic. That's the issue. Thank you. So, also. I mean, she got all. Even if it's not ridiculous. One is 90,000. One is 30,000. That and one will be 13,000. Because that's why some schools would be something. Well, that law thing. And when it's from the building, maybe that's a very true. That was the office when I come up. So he had this really turned around. He got a lot of other law. Black and it's just the building. So my name, I'm asking him to be the middle of the fire system in the office. When I said something, I would. What about these assignments? Well, I'd be ready to go street call. Oh, if I'm that guy who wants to listen, walking to we're going. Well, we said, well, everybody also, so what was what has to so the city, but I'm going to go for a while. Go up to the regular side, go full out, see if you can. Signs, you go off stage, see. Don't forgo, we should see, no balls, they go forward. So you have the feet. And it's not awful. I didn't want to do it. I have Joe May of South Alabama, no buses, we bought buses, I have it on the time. And I don't leave it. Leave it, get it, all do. And, she said, still be worried. Not okay, lots of money.
Well, Lear,
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, I go to the board, get it for you, you're pretty, this will cover, but so we have a special use. Yeah, go for your, no, that's all safe. Yeah, you're right, yeah.
Especially if you talk a little more. Here's the problem. I think it's the problem. Here's the truth of. I have funds really from that thing, still believe in it. So go out to Hollywood, but that's awesome. They saw it on the days. That had no story to this man.
Where's Judge Oakley's live? Because I just found out that Judge's night is October 1st, not October 8th. I sent out the flyer after approval from our president. And based on the meeting minutes that said it was October 8th. And he's like, nope, it's the first Monday. So I'm Wednesday. So it's October 1st.
Did you send all those out?
Yeah. Well, I sent out an email based on our minutes that said October 8th. It's normally the first Wednesday, but I thought maybe because it was Judge's night. I don't know. I went based on our minutes. Now we're gonna have to send out a correction. I need that.
Oh, you're doing it.
Yeah.
So,
If I have my.
oh, because you're on the board for the donor.
Mm-hmm. I'm secretary,
Yeah.
but that's based on the minutes
What's your hurry?
that I was about to be.
Or you have something that you have to like, you don't know, or you don't. Just you guys. I got. I would have done once. The space that they can almost take care of it. We got it very honest. We're actually some fishing. Let's ask this topic. You can do some. So this is what I want to do. That's awesome. You guys are the one that you saw. So you want to have another. I all get it. Over every time we do, we talk something else. We're more than all that.
We really. Yeah,
So you can apply.
sort of part rates. Groups.
Okay, where's probably?
Um,
Do you know when
you might know. I. Yeah, she's so. Yes, so our class is going to be, so the big, you guys are there for.
Yeah.
Okay, you might all want to.
No.
we go there?
But we are.
So what you got is.
Start a room. We go to Trenton. So Trenton High School, they're the ones that posted it.
Okay.
But we have like a B thing with the college fest or anything, we would have to go to.
Yes.
So
Cause like to get in, see that we take.
I live like right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I love the idea.
It's, it is for
Such. You see almost. Thank you. That's on your. Okay.
Yeah, it's excellent.
You guys are lost.
I think you should get the QR to the law school for it. I don't know.
Carol will go to the post office. If you go here, it's gonna be big. Fast.
Great. I didn't think so.
There's 3 quoted for using it. I would say it's kind of she. You know, she can like she every day I said really help be back. But so she did. Okay. So she are we hold that one? What are we gonna do? Not sure, I think so. Phil Harrison.
We gave her an option to bring, we didn't bring, that's to be sold.
Oh, is this the way they wanted to adjourn?
We still want to get an informal hearing with you last over Zoom.
What's her name?
Winston.
Is that the one about the adjournment? I said, not without us, did it? Oh, I didn't, no, somebody asked me yesterday, you weren't here.
She wanted video footage of.
Yeah. I think it was my Lisa, because she knows something about the thing, so we're holding it for her.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's out there, he's watching.
Yeah, I'll be there. Want me to get it?
Yeah. Thanks. Oh, I didn't. I don't think we had a fun here, but it's in WTV.
I'm not sure. What is it? No. Sounds like
What is all this here? No, they're all in the high school and college. So clearly, do that.
Well, yeah.
Just they were told, I think they were told that I did that. See, court visits and
You know.
They're here because I asked them. Can you get that? 201. Thanks. All right, people versus, is it Aaliyah? Winston? Mr. Greco, your appearance for Romulus?
David Vargo, on behalf of the city of Romulus.
And Miss Winston, you're here for a formal hearing. Mr. Greco, it's been so long since we were doing formal hearings because we had a magistrate. I don't know that the formal hearing, and I hate to do this, but I don't know if the formal hearing should be in front of me. I had the informal hearing. That's not the norm.
Definitely not the norm, Your Honor, because
Yeah.
you've already heard the facts in the case and the formal hearing is supposed to be a review.
That's kind of what I'm looking at. Yeah. You understand that? Okay. So I already heard the informal hearing, right? So I already heard probably everything that would be heard today. I mean, there might be something new. I don't know. But generally speaking, if Judge A hears the informal hearing and it goes to a formal hearing, it goes to another judge. Otherwise, you're really not getting another review of the facts. You're getting the same person hearing the same facts. Understood? It's like appealing my decision to myself.
You didn't really get a chance to hear everything from.
Okay. Okay. Well, I can tell you this. I heard everything I wanted to hear because I always give people a chance to talk. But my point is, you're entitled to have this heard by one of my benchmates who hasn't been tainted with any prior hearing.
I'm confused right now.
I don't know what to do to fix that.
So we had this on court, then you moved it to, so I can have, stuff to support. To support.
Yeah. Well, I set it for a formal hearing so that you could make a request for some discovery.
Right, which I did, but they still don't.
Right. Right. Okay, but that's not the issue right now. The issue right now is I think this formal hearing should be heard by one of the judges that aren't me.
Why is that?
I just explained that to you.
He's already made a decision on a case that's gotta be responsible, so you probably don't want a
Okay.
review of it by somebody who's already.
I will contact somebody else.
Yeah,
All right.
I'm in the middle of getting the date.
With who?
Can we just mark him?
Pardon me, Heather, is this gonna be sent notice now or sent mail?
We'll probably give her notice. Yeah.
Get you some paper, now.
All right. I suppose I could talk about the discovery issue if there was one. Any objection if I deal with that, just to hopefully save time for Judge Martin? Okay, so what have you requested from Mr. Greco as far as discovery?
Requested body camera information, but if we adjourn for the judge, then by that time they should have the information that I need.
Okay,
I've never had a fight with any situation or
okay.
any trouble, but this situation I was wrongfully accused.
That's,
So I-
you don't have to justify an exercise of your rights. You have a right to have a hearing. So do we know anything about a body cam?
Yeah, Robert. Ms. Winston and I spoke for the first time yesterday when I reached out to her. I'm not aware of being contacted by her whatsoever. I think she may be referring to the lawyer request because you see around.
I called the Romulus police station so I could get it. And she told me exactly what I needed to do. She told me to email her for the information.
Did you do that?
Yes, I did.
Okay. So that she did request a discovery.
November sixth.
And Your Honor, I think FOIA is an appropriate thing. I want to get into what discovery.
That's fine. What time?
I do have a question.
Hold on just a minute. So what we're looking at is a formal hearing by Zoom with Judge Martin, November 6th, 11 a.m. Does that work for everybody? November 6th, 11 a.m.
It's a Thursday.
You want. Wow.
Is that an option? I don't know. Go ahead and ask your questions while we're working on the date.
Is there a reason that he can get a lawyer or somebody representing him, but I cannot?
You can get a lawyer, but you got to hire one. Because the only time we appoint a lawyer on a matter is when there's jail time possible, and I can't put you in jail on a civil infraction. So if you want to hire a lawyer, you can. That's what a formal hearing is. Lawyers can be involved.
Yeah.
Need another day? It's got to be a morning date.
So it's gonna be.
You want that.
I'm sorry.
Can you do earlier than 11?
Did you got this file?
Nope. Haven't seen that file yet. What's the charge?
Well, that's my DUI, double pump, maybe it's a civil infraction.
No, there should be a misdemeanor file. It's not in this pile, is it?
Oh, but
What is it? Nope.
yeah, or the other way, except that.
That works for me, but.
Here it is. Just like I thought.
Mhm. Are you planning on hiring an attorney? Because you might not want to pick a date if there's going to be an.
The physical issue, we kind of like have lawyers, because I've gotten in trouble before and always had a lawyer, but they say because it's a traffic ticket, so it's like, but I don't understand how he has somebody, but I can't get anybody.
You can get, you have the ability to get one.
Yes, so I'm
Yeah.
gonna continue to try.
Okay, all right.
November 20th at 11.
Does that work?
And does this depend on just his schedule? Not
No,
my,
that's why I'm asking you. Does it work?
the first day that you said was perfect for me.
Okay, but that's not an option because the officer is not available. So now I'm asking you, are you available on November 20?
We go with that choice.
What was that, the 6th?
The 6th.
All right, November 6th, 11 a.m. Thank you, Corporal. All right. Anything else, ma'am? All right, we'll have a written notice for you in just a few minutes. Osario Lopez. Oh, Medina, we're
Yeah.
waiting for your attorney.
Yeah, she's on Zoom trying to get the one.
Mr. Bowditch, would you like to stand in for a double parking? Mr. Lopez, okay if this attorney stands in for Miss Medina?
Might be a translation problem, Judge.
Oh,
No. There is none? Oh. She don't need.
Well, when I talked to Mr. Lopez originally,
Oh.
I asked him, if he would feel more comfortable with some of the violence. He said, get off the ground.
Okay.
Father, Taxpayer.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Jack Bob, swearing on behalf of Lopez, could you tell me to make the record, please?
Miguel was under no supervision.
Thank you. I understand you're pleading responsible to double parking and added charge.
Yes.
You've agreed to pay fines and costs of $200. I'll accept your plea and dismiss the original misdemeanor. Can you pay the $200 today? Go downstairs, cashier will call your name, take your money with a smile and get you out of here. Oh, hold on, we got 2 files? Both files are dismissed. I did the double parking on the indecent exposure. Oh, that's it. Okay. The other one in the park? No, there was a couple other ones. It was I've seen something or other. Anything else? Who? Who?
Mr. Williams and Ms. Osley.
All right, come on up, Osler. Go ahead.
Awesome. And, Your Honor, today's date, time, for, arraignment in this matter, wait for reading stand. You also had a chance to pre-trial this case, Your Honor, if you're going to execute. Subject to court.
I understand you're pleading responsible to double parking, ma'am, and you've agreed to pay fines a cost of $250. Can you do that today? Same thing. Go get your smile from the cashier. We'll get you out of here. The misdemeanor is dismissed. Mr. Williams, you're welcome.
And, for the record, Judge, I'm sure.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's date, time set for arraignment in this matter, wait for reading stand. Also had a chance to pre-trial this case and execute a plea agreement in which Mr. Williams will be pleading guilty to an added count of started with the understanding the original charge of having an invalid license would be dismissed.
Thank you. Mr. Williams, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch today? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge today? Did you drive a vehicle on April 23, 23 in Romulus?
No.
That's the date I've got. Okay, at that time, was your license invalid or improper? Satisfied, Mr. Bowditch?
Satisfied.
So am I. I'll dismiss the original charge.
Full license back, Your Honor.
Awesome. We got a lot of those today. Yeah, good. It's a good day for drivers. Are you working? Okay. All right. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
Paid all my tickets, I was saying to read the public wants for already.
Which you did. Yep. No warrants. Anything else you want me to consider?
Reason I missed my last Zoom meeting because I got shot.
Ouch. How you doing?
Put back.
Good. Oh, lucky. Lucky. Good for you. All right. Anything else? All right. All right, Mr. Williams, fines and costs on your file, $600. I'm assessing 3 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. Can you pay 6 today or do you need to talk options? Go downstairs and they'll talk about your options. They can also explain to you what your days.
But I mean, you do, like, the government school program, you have physical limitation where you can't do stuff.
I can't hear him.
Your Honor, because he had been shot, he got shot in the hand and it went through his hand and into his system.
Okay.
And I was informed that he might have limitations.
Yeah.
As far as his physical work.
I'll give him a community service charity work option.
So instead of doing the work program, we can do community service. See,
40 hours.
Yeah. 12-1.
Which is volunteer work instead of physical, your choice. I was just concerned about you.
So what, it's only going to community service, that I ain't got to pay.
Nope.
No.
It's a time thing. You owe me money and time. So I can do up to 90 days in jail. I chose 3 days work program because of the injury you had. Mr. Bowditch has asked me to give you the option of community service charity work. I'll give you either option. I mean, if you want to do the work program, then it's not as much thinking involved. You just pick 3 days and show up. With the community service, you got to actually find a charity. We'll give you help. We'll give you a list, but you got to set something up with a charity and do 40 hours with the charity. It's up to you. Either option.
So you get 3 days.
You want to do work program? All right. All right, you'll find out downstairs when you can schedule. Good luck.
Your Honor, I believe that they can keep our office.
This is,
Yeah, Medina's busy on Zoom.
Yeah, we're doing Zoom and then, if you wanna do this one real quick, that she just did.
the plea is to a no proof of insurance instead of false insurance.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, were you calling my case?
I was gonna have Mr. Bowditch take care of it if you're otherwise engaged.
Oh, Your Honor, for right now, I am available. Sorry, it is,
That's fine.
Crystal Marie Medina on behalf of Mr. Bryson.
All right, go ahead. Mr. Bryson, can you hear us all right?
Yes.
State your name for the record, sir.
Darius Deshaun Bryson.
Thank you. Counsel?
Your Honor, my client is prepared to plead responsible to no proof of insurance.
That's the civil infraction?
Your Honor,
Correct.
$220 agreed upon fine.
Thank you. Mr. Bryson, can you pay the 220 today?
No, I cannot. I just recently got fired from my job yesterday. I can at least try to do a payment plan for where.
How much? How much? How often? When can you start?
I can start as soon as I get paid, which is next week.
How much?
And
How often?
I'm gonna put in $50 for the start.
Third time. How much? How often? I got the when, I got the how much, how often? Weekly, bi-weekly, monthly?
It would have to be bi-weekly.
All right, and next Friday is the 26th. Can you start then or you want to go into October?
I can start the 26th because that's when I'm gonna have my first my last paycheck, so I can start then.
Okay, all right, so $50 every 2 weeks, starting next Friday, the 26th of September. Original charge has been dismissed. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor, and then I could see the next person. Thank you. I'm sorry?
Are you able to go back into the meeting room?
What happened
Oh,
to that Miss
yes.
Green that was just up there?
I could go back in. Thank you.
There was a Miss Green that said waving. She
No,
disappeared.
I spoke with Ms. Green. We're ready to go.
Yeah, but she just disappeared. Oh, there she is. Miss Green, are you going forward today without the benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Greco, what do we got?
We're going to amend the basic speed charge to a double parking $200 fine. We're going to dismiss the equipment violation and the fail to display. She has a valid license, Judge.
I'm sorry, fines and costs, 200?
$200, yep.
All right, and both, the other original charges would be dismissed, yes?
That's correct.
Ma'am, is that the way you want to resolve this today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you pay the $200 today?
No, I paid the $200 next Friday.
Say that again, it was garbled.
Sorry, I'm saying I can pay the $200 next Friday.
Next Friday, the 26th is a good due date?
Yes.
Done. The original charges are dismissed. Any questions?
No, sir.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
So I did that on the B file.
Are we ready in Eggleston?
What is Eggleston?
Eggleston is a waiver with Dave. Did he tell you things about our felony exam days?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. The other two don't live stream,
Okay.
but he does on his days.
Okay.
They are still waiting for Medina.
Okay.
I don't know if he told you those days or if you guys are just gonna come in.
Okay.
So seriously, if you guys like watching live court, there are a lot of judges that live stream, like, we live stream just about everything. If I'm out here doing this live stream, okay. So if you just do a lot of court on YouTube.
You do those for your couple days? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I guess we can put those up to Mr. Marketing.
Yeah, so I don't know about everybody else, but with us, if you go to our website, you'll see each one of the three judges, this, just quote that reason.
But it's just a way. Okay. Right.
Well, it takes, I think it takes you like a week.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But, you know, if you Google my name, my live stream, it's all around YouTube all the time. Well, at least you said you'll like this shit.
The other two don't mind.
Okay.
What did I call it? You, I didn't just discuss the bars.
Oh, yeah, me too, yeah.
Yeah.
I knew
She's, how many people you got on right now?
But it tells me how many, but he has, yeah.
see stuff on it, like you, that I had to be promised that you got. Slowly noticing her. Whatever, that it got rushed by that, you remember seeing that? I think it was like.
What's the word, man?
Oh.
Seriously, yeah. They went they got off the bench, but they were back home.
That was, that was a nice thing, yeah.
Yeah, one word. Yes, I have a question. So I sent it in.
So my seniors would see about.
Yeah, me too.
I knew that I think already, is there any way they should have?
Absolutely. You got any cards? You got to get one, you know?
Yeah.
205.
205.
Yeah, so if you need to come in or figure out what days he's doing it, just call me.
Okay, yeah.
Fireballs, just about a lot. Thank you. Good luck, guys.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. Bye. Nice meeting you guys.
Once I'm trying to come in one day, so I'll probably see you.
We told them we're walking that back.
Thank you, sir. Bye, Heather.
Bye, nice to see you.
Draggy ass docket. Yeah.
We have 4 bodies out here for you.
Thank you.
I think it worked. Judge, it was at 7-1, now it's back down to 7.
Thank you.